What's going on, guys? We're at Walmart. We're gonna buy a tripod for my camera, for my new camera. Hi.
Hi.
What are we doing here?
We are gonna buy a tripod for your camera.
Hell yeah.
It's not.
Are you kidding me?
I'm not. A different 66.
I don't know, but I like that one.
Oh, that one?
Yep. It's a 15-inch. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna take this one.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're at Ace Hardware. I'm gonna get some vacuum hose for the blow-off valve. I'm probably just gonna get a full or 2. I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but I'm just gonna go ahead and send it. Back! Nico! Hey, come on! You have to go back! Hey, go to the back seat!
He says, but I love cuddling, mommy.
Come on, bro, go to the back seat! Come on, bro. We're at Taco Bell. Gotta stop for the daily meal. You already know. Huh? Are we fat asses or what? This is the blow-off valve that I got. It's a eBay blow-off valve. It's a replica, the tile. Comes with a silicone hose and a spring, clamps. I purchased it for around 200 bucks. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take this hose off, that hose off in the back, which that leads to right there. And then I should be able to take the charge pipe off by just taking off that thing right there and that. Alright, so now I'm gonna change the sensor from this one to the other one. Alright guys, so this is the final product right here. The hose that I got from Ace Hardware actually didn't work, so what I'm using is a windshield washer slash vacuum hose. This one works pretty good. I actually don't think I have the right spring, so I'm probably gonna order that. I need like a 7 psi spring. I'm not sure what that one is, but I'm pretty sure it's not the correct one. I'm gonna have to look it up and see what it recommends. I also think I'm just gonna go get some intakes for it. I need 2 of them. I'm just gonna custom make them because they're pretty expensive, already shipped and all that, and I'd have to wait a long time. So I'm just gonna probably just go to AutoZone, plug these up with like a cap, so everything just goes into there. And then the cover that I had right there actually broke. That's why it's not on there, but I'll get that on there soon.
So I thought I needed